This is my first gaming computer build ever. First build of any computer I've ever done. I got a 500 watt EVGA power supply. I got a Cycle Flow 120 red LED. That was a mistake because I also got a blue LED in the Snow 300 edition case. 2 terabyte with 8 gigabyte SSD hard drive, hybrid. Ripjaw RAM. I got a GameMax 300 CPU fan. A Core i5 unlocked i5 6600K with an EVGA GeForce GTX 1060, 3 gigs of RAM, VRAM. Along with a Z170 XP SLI gigabyte motherboard, which should all be good. The only bad thing about it is that I have this to work with for putting it all together. Wish me luck. And we're just about to lock in the CPU and cases. So here's the motherboard all set up with the RAM and CPU, so you can see. Oh. Now I'm going to try and get the CPU fan on there and the graphics card and see how that goes and put it in the case. Okay, so I have the CPU cooler attached on the RAM, and I'm going to connect this fan to this area, and it's going to pull air in, and this fan's pulling air out to keep it nice and cool inside. Then I'm going to install, after I install this, I'm going to install the motherboard inside, and then plug in the, install the graphics card. And after that is all installed, then the power supply, and then check in, and then wrap up. And here it is, the finished product. Now, you might see a few screws are sticking up a little bit. That, well, I don't know what's going on with that, but I had to do it. Back here, screws weren't big enough, I don't know why. Back here you can see everything's set up. Pretty nice case, I like it. Get a little sneak peek in there. Wires are everywhere. Not everything in front is hooked up, just the USB 3. And well, that's pretty much it. Gonna have to wait till I get Windows to be able to install that on here. But till then, this bad boy's just gonna sit here. So, down in the comments, tell me what you think of some of the parts I used, and whether you would think of using something else in combination.